Welcome to Student, a series of animated calculus videos that will help you prepare for the AP exam. These videos were made by students for students.
2.1 Defining average and instantaneous rates of change at a point. So first thing we need to do is figure out what average rate of change is, which is the secant line, and the formula of it is f of a minus f of b over a minus b. You also need to know the instantaneous rate of change, which is just the derivative of any point, and also the tangent line. So this graph right here, this blue line is the tangent line, and it's at point A, f of a, and it's also the tangent line, and then the red line's secant line, and then it's at b, f of b. So if you wanted to find the average rate of change, you'd take f of a minus f of b, and then a minus b. Find that average rate of change. First multiple choice. If the position of a particle is represented by s of t equals t squared plus 2, what is its instantaneous rate of change at t equals 1? So first we want to do is take the derivative of s of t, which will give us to s prime of t equals 2t, and then it says at t equals 1, so we're going to have to plug in 1, which will leave us with 2 feet per second. Next problem is a climber is on a hike. After 2 hours, he is at an altitude of 400 feet. After 6 hours, he is at an altitude of 700 feet. What is the average rate of change? So formula is f of a minus f of b. So you're going to take 400 minus 700, because f of a is 400, and then f of b is 700, and then you're going to do 2 divided by 2 minus 6. This will leave you with 400 minus 700 over negative 4, which then once you simplify will get you to 75. FRQ parts A and B from 2007. So part A, first thing you need to do is take g of 5 minus g of negative 5 over 5 minus negative 5. So you can see in the problem, g of x is equal to the integral of 1 to x of f of t dt. So g of 5 is going to be the integral of that, and it's going to be this area right here from 1 to 5, which equals 12, because it's over 2 up 4, which is 4. That's the area of the triangle, and then it's over 2 up 4 of a rectangle, which is 8, and you add those together, which will get you 5. And then now you need to find the integral of g of negative 5 from negative 5 to 1, but you put a negative out front because you have to flip the signs, because it would be 1 over negative 1 on the bottom and it'd be negative 5 on top, but you'd have to flip them because that's how you make the integral. And then that'd be just this area all right here, which would leave you with 7 plus pi, and then you put those together, which would leave you with 12 minus 7 plus pi over 10, which then just becomes 5 minus pi over 10. That will be your average rate of change. For the instantaneous rate of change, you have g prime equals f of x, because the integral cancels out, so it's just going to leave f of x or f of t in the problem. So you just have to find the derivative at, it's asking for the derivative at x equals 3, so you just have to find what f of 3 is equal to, and it's equal to 4, as you can see up there. And then the scoring guidelines are linked down below. And I hope all this helps you prepare for your AP test and help you figure out what average rate of change and instantaneous rate of change are.